Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is GCP. What is GCP? I will discuss GCP. Okay, today our topic is Google Cloud Platform. I will tell you about the information about Google Cloud Platform. There are many platforms about it, high performance instruction for Google computerization and the data analyzation and the machine learning, free trial Google Cloud, per second billing, Google's instructions, phone support and services. Create free account and learn and build with our free tier $300 free credit. If you create a new account, you will create it and you will win $3,000. Oh my god. So I will discuss we will discuss many information about it. What is the services they provide us, what services they are providing us, solve real business challenges on Google Cloud. 200 plus free products for our customers. All customers get free hands-on experience with popular products, including computer engine and cloud storage. Run $300 in free credit for new customers. Wow! New customers get $300 in free credits to fully explore and conduct an assignment of Google Cloud. You won't be changed until your rig upgrade. Start developing pre-built solutions and free. New customer get $3,000 in free credit on sign up to use on developing a data manipulation and dynamic website, launching a VM, building a three-tier web app and build solution. Okay, I clicked $3,000 in free credit. 90 days के लिए $3,000 free trial offer. The free trial provide you with the free cloud billing credit to pay resources while you learn about Google Cloud. Program eligibility. You are eligible for the free trial if you meet the following conditions. You have never been a paying customer of Google Cloud, Google Map platform, or Firebase, and the 90 days $300 free trial period start automatically when your computer complete your sign up to complete your free trial. Okay, now we are signing up um, this platform. Okay, now we are signing up in Google. Nivisha, this is my name. Switch account, no. And Pakistan, yes, of course, agree and continue. No auto change after free trial. And step 2 of 2 payment information verification. Payment profile. There are the form. We will fill it and then okay, we will fill it and then submit it. The information about they are carried on their website, and this is the legal website. If you earn $300 credit for free, so you will try it must. And welcome and thanks for watching.